Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's recipe, we're making tandoori chicken. This chicken recipe, guys, is so versatile of how you cook it, okay? You can grill it, you can dig a hole and cook it out there. You can cook it in the oven, you can use a cast iron. And as you can see from the title, we will be using an air fryer, and this recipe is so delicious. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by preparing our chicken. What I like to do is go in and remove the chicken skin. Just like so. Now grab a knife and cut into the chicken, and this will allow the marinade to penetrate into the chicken and give it a nice flavor. I had already went and washed my chicken, so I'm just going to pat it dry. After patting the chicken dry, go ahead and set them aside. Now in a large bowl, I am going to add my plain yogurt to it, my ginger, freshly minced garlic, coriander, garam masala, cumin, black pepper, paprika, Kashmiri chili powder, juice from a lemon, and olive oil. Now go ahead and give that a good whisk. Just like so, guys. So go ahead and throw them in here. And don't forget to add your salt. Go back in and just massage that in. Now I am going to grab some plastic wrap, and I'm going to stick this in the fridge for a couple of hours before we start cooking them. We are going to preheat the air fryer. Going to turn it on and preheat it to 375 degrees. And we're going to set the timer for 20 minutes. After 2 hours, this is how my chicken is looking. I am going to remove one of the chicken quarter and place it right in the air fryer. Okay guys, if your air fryer is large, go ahead and add more chicken in there. I am only going to be adding one to mine because that's all that can fit. So go ahead and close the door and let it cook for 20 minutes. This is how my chicken is looking after 20 minutes, and this should take us to the end of this recipe. Hello guys, so my tandoori chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? Go ahead and serve this with some basmati rice, some curry. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.